If I'm napping, I'm dreaming. And on this Sunday, after a big lunch, I was dreaming about rocks. Collecting rocks, stacking rocks, and even building things with rocks. A spiral is a line that winds in a continuous curve. Try taking rocks and creating your own spiral outdoors. You can use other objects as well to create spirals. A spiral is a common image seen in art as well as in gardening. Here's a picture of my herb spiral I created. You can also collect twigs, leaves, and berries to create other forms in nature. Here I created a butterfly.